Well, hey folks, how y'all doing? Welcome back, an old man in the land of grills. I feel like cooking on some charcoal today, and it's getting late in the day, and you know what my go-to is. And I haven't cooked on it for a while. Yeah, the Masterbuilt Gravity Series 560. I tell you what, these things are, folks. If you ever have an opportunity to pick up one of these Gravity Series charcoal grills from Masterbuilt, they are phenomenal. So we're gonna do. I've had a hankering for some real chicken breast, you know, the bone-in type with skin on it that is harder to find almost every year. But I found some doozies today, and I tell you what, why don't you go take a look at those while I get that fired up. Oh man, look at the size of those real chicken breasts. I haven't had a chicken breast with a bone in it in a long time, folks. So I am really looking forward to this. For the seasoning today, I'm using this burn pit barbecue stuff. All-purpose garlic seasoning. And take a look at some of the pepper that's in there. And look at the bigger chunks in there. And I thought that was salt, and that's actually garlic. So that's pretty cool. And then to top it off, I've got some of this burn pit barbecue. Just put a little of the spicy all-purpose seasoning on top of it also, folks. Oh man, it's just going to be good. Let's get around the grill. All right, folks, let's do some potatoes. And don't hate me. I really, really, really like these small whole white canned potatoes. But if you can find these, oh man, they are so good. And spice them up a little bit. Yeah, let's put some of that burn pit barbecue spicy all-purpose rub on top of it. And folks, this thing right here, and I was wondering where I would use this. I've got this cool holder in this stainless steel tray that's got holes in it. And I did a review on this, and it's this Yukon Gold barbecue grill and serve set. And we're going to see how it works today. But get that on the Masterbuilt too. Oh, and you have to ask what I'm using for charcoal? Of course. Hotter, longer, cleaner. B&B, folks, check them out. All right, smokes are rolling. I put a couple chunks of hickory in with the B&B, so we're getting some really good smoke out of that. If you're wondering what we're running for temperature here, I got it set at 225, and she's running 228. Let's double check here. Oh, that's a little bit warmer than that. So that usually dials itself in better. Let's take a quick look here. Oh, man. There's our chicken, and there's our taters. I'll tell you what, we're gonna roll smoke on this chicken for about an hour, and then we're gonna turn the temp up and get them done to about 165 internal. So keep on watching, folks. Give you a couple more look-sees. All right, folks, a little shy of an hour by probably about 5 minutes, but we're gonna take a quick look here. We're still at 225. You know, we still got some good smoke, as you can see, coming out of there. Let's we've got our ink bird here. Just some nice color going on there. Let's go on the biggest one. And you can see we got a ways to go here yet. Holy smokes, only 51 in both of them. So we're gonna turn temps up here because I ain't gonna wait all night to eat some chicken. All right, folks, let's take a look. I did bump the temperature up to 500 degrees, and this thing, like I said, 150 on the low side, 700 on the high side. This thing is just awesome. Oh man, I'll tell you what, give you a better look-see at that. Nice. We'll keep on going here and give them a quick flip and get a little bit more heat on that other side where the skin is. Get that browned up. As it's already browned up. I'll get a little bit more browned up and give you a look-see at the final product. Keep on watching, folks. Oh man, there's the final product. Look at the juice. I'll tell you what, I've already snuck a potato or two. They are awesome. It's I cut open one of the chicken breasts. Take a quick look there. Look at that. The moisture coming off there is just phenomenal. Take a little taste test. Oh man. Tell you what. Awesome chicken. Gravity Series charcoal. I'll tell you what, this burnt pit barbecue. I can taste the garlic in there. That's awesome. And then a little bit of the spicy. Oh man, very nice. Folks, hope you enjoyed this. Tom Horseman on YouTube. Thumbs up, leave a comment. And as always, Appreciate you watching. Thank you.